Ditch that dusty fax machine because in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to fax documents directly from your HP computer using DocuSign. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com, then log into your DocuSign account with your email and password. Once you're logged in, click on the New button, typically found at the top left of your dashboard, and select Send an Envelope from the drop-down menu. Now, it's time to add the document you want to fax. Click the Add Documents button, and choose the file from your computer. This could be a PDF, Word document, or any other supported format. Here's the trick. In the Add Recipients section, instead of entering an email address, enter the fax number you want to send to, followed by a Docusign. So, if the fax number is 5,551,234,567, you'll enter 5,551,234,567 at Docusign. You can add a brief message or cover letter in the Add Message field. This is optional, but can be helpful for the recipient. Double check that the fax number is entered correctly, and then click the Send button. DocuSign will convert your document into a fax and send it to the specified number. You can track the status of your fax in your DocuSign account under the Sent folder, and that's it. You've successfully sent a fax from your HP computer using DocuSign. No more paper jams.